first thing you have to check is to check your engine oil. Make sure the engine oil is filled. And then the next is you gotta check your radiator water level. Make sure at the right water level point and it's sufficient. And the next thing is you gotta check your battery water level. Make sure it's at the right battery level point as well. And then check your air filter, make sure it's clean up. And you check your brake oil, that make sure there's a brake oil that is a sufficient level as well. So the next thing you gotta check is the alternator belting, so make sure there's no crack or no loosen up. The next thing you check all your 4 tires is fully inflated and at the right optimum air pressure. And don't forget to check your spare tire as well. Usually people forget the spare tire. And even myself also, I haven't been inflated my spare tire for a few years. So now I decided to inflate it. Inflate the air tire with the correct air pressures. For my viewers, it is around 230 kilopascal. And if you're someone lazy like me, I find this is very useful for emergency. And now you're ready to go for the long journey. See you guys.